Malapit man ang akumpleto ing pagnasan ming bale. Atin na kami mo mapilan panggamit a panipunan. Metong may kinonsider a investment ing pamanyaling aircon. Lalo pa naman ngayon ng kapaling panahon kaya kailangan niya talaga yung aircon lalo na adwa na larang anak ni.
Wapin yung kapali talaga yung panahon ngayon eh. Anyay kami as parent, ipoprovide mo itong komportabling kabilihan ka rin anak mi. Actually, yan yung palawe mi yung balemi, ining unit mi. Mintong kaya talagang authorized installer na rin aircon kaya ni Pampanga. Ikit mi yung Jamson and Gopes. Ilang authorized Daikin dealer and installer kaya ni Pampanga.
Karalami ay kuway ng idea na mas lalo kaming makatipid nung i-convert mo yung window to split type aircon.
Excited na kay Ping Mami Shay. Dahil today may pa-install in Daikin D-Smart Inverter kening unit mi. Pero bago ito, invite tala pa di Engineer Warren ng Poy Engineer Ian para i-walk through na katak yung process na pa mag-install na ng aircon. The Daikin way.
Hi sir.
Good morning sir. Sir, good morning.
Good morning po. Hi mga ka-Daikin. Ako po pala Engineer Warren Gopes and yun naman po yung Engineer Ian Gopes from Jamson and Gopes and Air Conditioning or DNG for short. Authorized Daikin dealer, installer, and service center with bronze and silver badge na dinalang kay mabusising training kay Daikin standard.
As to sinabi na survey ng po kay Ma'am Shay na bago saling aircon, kailangan po magpo-consulta mo karang aircon expert. Kaya ma'am, sir, Ken Daikin, sigurado po sulit na sulit siya po yung investment nyo. Bakit po ba? Ay explain na po ng Engineer Warren.
Bumuna na po nito ma'am and sir, yung Daikin natin niya pong high quality installation pipe with insulation with polyethylene foam na mas matas kayong standard na 25%. Pangadwa na po nito, natin yung IPC tamo po, iwasan tamo po yung maging bracing works na maging possible problema kayong pamag-clog o pamagbara ng kaya katamang piping system. Pangatlo na po nito, Sir and Ma'am, balta naman po yung sobrang pali ng panahon tamo ngayon. Kaya alubta na po 24/7, makabulot na po rin yung aircon tamo. Pero ako pumigaga na ang kaya katamang power consumption dahil yung Daikin natin niya pong 5-star CSPF na aprobado na po ng DOE. The higher the rating, the higher the savings.
At syempre sir, ang pekalas, in after sales in Daikin. Yan yung pinaka-importante. In Daikin sir, tinyang 3 years warranty, kang PCB kang indoor, ang 3 years PCB kang outdoor. At 5 years warranty naman kang compressor. Kaya sir, nananta po, install talo ng aircon mo. Pakanta makalipat na kayo, tara na.
Sa wakas, siya installation na ring aircon. Kasayang Mami Shay, ngayon eno kapalian di Baby Arlo, ang Poyer Kia.
Sakto makasaw yung hindi para makapag-focus sa your Kia Ken studies na. Dahil in Daikin aircon, aliya may nge, and sakto yamo in distribution ng hangin kang kwarto.
Anya nung bisa kayo rin maging wise buyer, now is the time to switch to Daikin. For your expert cooling solutions, you can reach Jamson and Gopes Ref and Air Conditioning Industries Company. They are located at San Rafael Street, St. Dominic Corinthians Phase 2, Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga. You may reach them at 0917-329-0863 or you may email them at dngaircon@yahoo.com.ph.
Kaya na ano pang panayan nyo, it's time to sleep!